How to connect Gelato to Etsy. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect Gelato to Etsy. So how do you connect Gelato to Etsy? The first step is to log in into your Gelato account, just like I've done here. Then move to the left side of the screen where you can see home, product catalog, orders, stores. Click on stores, and then on the stores page you can see the different integrations that can be done. So just go ahead to click on Etsy since you're trying to connect your Gelato account to Etsy, and then you will be redirected to your Etsy accounts page. All right, so on this page you'll be required to sign in into your Etsy account, and then once you are able to sign in effectively, you follow the prompts on the page, you'll be taken to a page where you will be prompted to grant Gelato access to your Etsy account. Follow the prompts, complete the connection, confirm, and your Gelato account would be connected to your Etsy account. Alright, and once they are connected, you can start adding Gelato products to your Etsy store as easily as possible. So this is how you can connect your Gelato account to your Etsy store. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to try this out now. Have a wonderful day ahead.